How to log out of Lyft account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log out of the Lyft account. For this, open the Lyft app on your device. You can easily download the Lyft application from Play Store or App Store. Now, if you want to log out of the Lyft account for some reason, then follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Now you have a bunch of options. You want to look for settings. Once you find it, tap on settings. Here you have different sections such as general, shortcuts, safety. Down below you have the option of log out. Now go ahead and tap on that option. It is going to ask you for confirmation. Tap on log out if you want to log out. Tap on cancel if you have changed your mind. Once you tap on the log out option, you will be successfully logged out of your Lyft account. If you ever want to log in again, all you have to do is tap on the get started option. Then simply enter your phone number and tap on next. Then you will have to enter the code sent to your mobile number. Enter that code and you will be successfully logged into your account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.